4, 3, 2, 1. Level up, level up, level up, level up, level up.
Welcome back to my channel. My name is Charmaine, and I'm going to be doing an eyeshadow look using the Too Faced Better Than Chocolate palette. Alright, so I just got this recently. It was in my most recent Ulta haul. Actually, it wasn't recently. I've had this for a while. I just haven't done anything with it yet. So today I want to use it and I guess kind of create like a soft neutral look. I don't know if it's going to be soft. It'll be neutral because the palette is pretty neutral. So this is the palette, and I'm going to stick with the browns and maybe this color here. I think I might do something with this blue here. I don't know. We will see. So we're going to just jump into this look and get started. So I think what I'll do is I'll have the palette up in the corner somewhere. I don't know which side it ends up being on, but it's going to be up somewhere, and I will show you what I'm using that way. Okay, I have the dogs walking around in here, so if you hear that, don't mind it. So I'm going to jump into Cake My Day. Okay, looks pretty pigmented. I'm just going to take this in my crease first. Alright, next we're going to jump into Brownie Point, which is a deeper brown. And I already had my face done because I knew I just want to do my eyeshadow in this video. And normally I do my eyeshadow first, but every once in a while I will do my face first and then my eyeshadow. I just try to be extra careful so I don't mess anything up. And I'm just taking this and blending this into Brownie Points. And I'm not winging it out, so I'm just kind of keeping it in this outer corner area by doing circular motions. Okay, and now I'm going to go into, I'm switching brushes, Nice Buns. Okay, this is a softer brown. I'm just taking this on the outer edge to blend that so it's not so harsh. And I'm still doing circular motions. And then I want it to stay deep, so oh, that was Brownie Points is the deeper color, and then Cake My Day was the first color I put on just in case I mixed that up. Okay, and I'm just adding that back to the outer portion because I want that to stay deep. Now I want to take a lighter color, and I think I'm going to take Lick the Bowl. And we're gonna just put that on the lid. And then just use the color, the brush that I use for the deeper Brownie Points color to make sure that that's blended. I didn't add anything else onto the brush. I just using whatever's left to kind of blend that back. Okay. Going back into Lick the Bowl, just patting it here. Now I need to do my eyeliner and mascara, not doing any lashes, and my lips. and this look will almost be done. We'll come back to finish our lower lash line, and I think I'm going to do a pop of color on the inner corner. So be right back. Now we're back to finish my lower lash line and to do some type of inner corner something. Okay, so I went ahead, my lips are done, I have mascara on, eyeliner on, and now I want to do something with my lower lash line. So I think what I'm going to do is take brownie points, which is that dark brown, and put that on my lower lash line. So I'm just going to stamp it on at first before I blend it. Now we are going to, I think what I want to try to do is add in, where's that brush? Okay, so the color, it's called Bless Your Tart. It's like a bluish looking color here. It's the one at the bottom, and it should be up to show you. I'm going to put that in my inner corner. If it doesn't show up the way I want it to, I already have a backup plan. So that's like a deep purple blue, violet. Okay. That's okay, but I brought out also the Wet n Wild highlighting powder, and I'm gonna see if that does anything to lightens it up a little bit. Okay, and that's the pop of color that we're going to have in this look. This is probably like the quickest glam look that I've ever done, and neutral, so it's like a smoky, soft, quick glam look. We're still with the pop of color because I do like my color, so we still have that there. I don't know, this seems pretty simple. I would wear this to work. So let me know what you think down in the comments below. Don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss any future videos, and give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Thanks for watching.